Hello! This is how you make a tyga beat in 1 minute. First, you need a bass line. You need claps. Then you need drums. You rap about girls and money. Choppers all loaded for the next round. Hail Mary on the first down. Got a girl and a condo in every town. I raise her legs, then I tell her turn around. Don't forget cool vocal effects. Chop.
Choppers all loaded for the next round. Hail Mary on the first down. Got a girl and a condo in every town. I raise her legs, then I tell her turn around. Your bitch wanna text me. 4 hours later she'll be live in my next feed. Said I give her wet dreams. After she gets super soaked, she gon' need my jet ski.